How to remove a background in any photos using CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can remove a background on your photos using the CapCut app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your CapCut app, and from here tap on Expand option. As you do so, you will see Remove Background. Tap Open it. Now select any picture that you would like to remove the background of. It will automatically detect the people and remove the background. As you do so, if you would like to edit more, tap on Edit More just beside Export, and you can do so from these given options. If you are satisfied, then tap on to Export on your top right, and this is how it will look like once you have exported the image. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.